Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reprogram a transmitter for your remote starter in your factory system. Specifically, I'm going to cover Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury. I have these three down here. But aside from that, you can also notice that there's a design characteristic that follows all these other brands as well. So you got Subaru, Dodge, Mazda, a Jeep, Chrysler right here, and you also have this guy right here, which is a Subaru. These have been found in several vehicles, and this one here is a two-way communicating remote control as opposed to just a one-way. So these ones, when I say one-way, you hold down the button, it starts the vehicle, and you can only tell that the vehicle is running by hearing the horn or seeing the lights visually on the vehicle side. This one here will actually give you a two-way response. So this one here is a 2W2. All these other ones are a GOH-PCMINI. So the way you go ahead and program these remote controls, all you need is your car's vehicle key, the programming switch, and of course however many remotes that you're going to program. Note that any one of these systems will learn up to 8 transmitters. So if you have 1, 2, don't worry about, if you have enough banks to store the memory, because you can do 8 per any system. Now this here is going to be the most complicated part of the programming sequence, because most people don't know where this is or never paid attention when the installer just explained to them where the switch is. This one here is a valet/programming switch. Yours may differ in appearance, but more or less this is just a standard momentary switch. It goes in and out, and that's all it does. Now this one here is going to be underneath your driver's dashboard typically, okay? So you have to find this before you get started on doing this job, because it's an integral part of programming your remote. So when I refer to the programming switch, this is what I'm talking about. You're not going to see all this wire, you're just going to see basically this, and this is going to be under your dash, flush mounted in there somehow, or in a kick panel somewhere down there, okay? So when you want to get started, what you got to do is get into the vehicle, turn the vehicle on with the key, press and hold in your brake pedal. Do that for about 15 seconds. Once you hear 3 chirps, that indicates that the unit has entered remote programming mode. You can let go of your brake pedal and you can release the programming switch. Then just go up to your remote controls, however many you have, hold it until it confirms through a honk to let you know that it has learned the transmitter. Do that up to 8 remotes that you have. Once you're done, simply turn off the key. Your remotes are now programmed. That's all there is to it.